Are you getting the most out of your SAP Analytics Cloud for business intelligence and planning? Our training Bluepacks will teach you how to get the most out of your investment. Led by our industry experts with sessions focused on best practices, real-life examples, tips, and tricks. Complete step-by-step modules with hands-on exercises at your own pace. With all training materials provided to you. You'll have the opportunity to create personalised content for your organisation and learn how to build stories guided by proven methods. We also offer after-training service support by one of our certified SAC professionals. Choose from our half-day end-user training or dive deeper with our full-day developer training. Start your analytics and reporting journey with our end-user training. This covers SAC platform overview, data wrangling and preparation, and data visualization and reporting. Or invest in your growth with our developer training. This includes the end-user training modules, advanced analytics, table creation and calculations, user and data security. Start streamlining your budget process with our planning and end-user training, covering SAC overview, data loading, and story building. Or why not upskill with the developer training? This includes the planning and user training modules, as well as modeling, calculations and advanced processes, user and data security. Register or reach out to one of our experts to discover the endless possibilities of your business data today.